In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji in Basecamp, whether you're using it for messages, to-dos, chats, comments, or even for categorizing tasks. Emojis can add a splash of color, convey emotion, and bring a bit of personality to your text, so understanding how to use them can truly enhance your communication. The good news is that inserting emojis in Basecamp is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step, depending on the operating system you're using. Let's start with Mac OS. If you're using a Mac, you have a nifty little shortcut to access the emoji picker. All you need to do is press Command, Control, and Space at the same time. Once you do this, a panel will pop up, displaying a wide range of emojis. You can scroll through, explore different categories, and find just the right emoji that fits what you're trying to say or emphasize. This feature is built right into the operating system, so you don't need any additional software or settings adjustments. Moving on to Windows. If you're working on Windows 10 or 11, the process is just as simple. You can open up the emoji panel by pressing the Windows key and the period key simultaneously. Once you do, you'll see a similar panel to the one on Mac OS, filled with all sorts of emojis ready for use. The panel is user-friendly, and you can easily search for your favorite emojis or browse through different sections. This is a fantastic tool that's built directly into Windows, making it quick and convenient. For those using Windows 8, the method is a little different, but don't worry, it's still easy to accomplish. In this case, the emoji keyboard might not be immediately visible, but you can access it by looking for the keyboard icon right there on your taskbar. Once you click it, you'll have an on-screen keyboard appear, and from there, you can navigate to the emoji section. If you don't see this option, you might need to set up the emoji keyboard manually in your settings. It might take a minute, but once it's done, you'll have the capability to sprinkle emojis throughout your Basecamp interactions. Remember, integrating emojis into your work communications, whether it's a task you're assigning or a message you're sending, can make your interactions more engaging and enjoyable for everyone involved. Plus, they help convey tone and emotion which might otherwise be lost in plain text. And that's it. With these simple instructions, you're now ready to take your Basecamp communication to the next level. Feel free to experiment, have fun, and let your personality shine through the emojis you choose. Thank you for watching, and happy emoji adding.